Wouldn't it be great to make tasty and healthier pizzas yourself? You can with this trendsetter, the Pizzarette. The concept is very simple. Choose your favorite pizza toppings and shove it with or without the supplied spatula in the Pizzarette. Here we go. And hoppa! After a few minutes, it's just delicious. Children love it and it's even educational. The pizza is heated from both the top and the bottom for the perfect result. The dome of the Pizzarette is the only one in its class that doesn't become too hot thanks to this reflector, which makes it ideal when children are baking the pizzas too. The supplied dough cutter helps you make the pizza dough in the right size. The Pizzarette prevents unpleasant odors that linger after meat or Chinese fondue. The baking plate and spatulas are dishwasher proof. And this 4-person model is also available as a 6-person model. Have fun! Ciao!